Did you know that skipping these crucial car part replacements at 100,000 miles could cost you thousands in repairs? Watch till the end to discover the top 13 parts you must never ignore if you want your car to last for hundreds of thousands more. Today, we're diving into a super important topic for all car owners: what parts you absolutely need to replace every 100,000 miles to keep your car running smoothly and safely. I've got a full list, from number 13 all the way down to number 1, and trust me, number 10 and number 5 are the most important ones, so make sure you stick around for those. Let's jump right in. At number 13, we have the spark plugs. At 100,000 miles, it's time to replace your spark plugs. These little guys are responsible for igniting the fuel-air mixture in your engine. Worn-out spark plugs cause misfires, rough idling, and lower fuel efficiency. Replacing them keeps your engine running clean and efficient. Next up at number 12 is the timing belt. The timing belt synchronizes the crankshaft and camshaft, so your engine valves open and close properly. If this belt snaps, it can cause serious engine damage. Most manufacturers recommend changing it at or before 100,000 miles, so don't ignore this. Alright, number 11 is the serpentine belt. This belt powers your alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. Over time, it wears out and can crack or snap, leaving you stranded. Replacing it at 100,000 miles is a smart move. Alright, here's number 10, transmission fluid, and it's a big one. Transmission fluid lubricates and cools your transmission components. Over time, it breaks down and becomes less effective. Dirty or old fluid can cause slipping, rough shifts, and even transmission failure. Flushing and replacing transmission fluid every 100,000 miles or earlier, if recommended by your manual, can save you thousands in repairs. So, don't skip this one. Number 9 is the brake pads. Brake pads wear down with use and need replacement to maintain stopping power and safety. At 100,000 miles, depending on your driving style, it's time to inspect and likely replace them. Number 8 is the water pump. Often replaced alongside the timing belt, the water pump circulates coolant to prevent your engine from overheating. If it fails, your engine can overheat and cause major damage. So replacing it around 100,000 miles is a good preventive step. Okay, number 7 is the fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter restricts fuel flow to the engine, causing poor performance and starting issues. Changing it every 100,000 miles ensures clean fuel delivery. Alright, number 6 is the coolant. Coolant breaks down over time and loses its ability to protect your engine from overheating and corrosion. A flush and refill around 100,000 miles keeps your engine temperature stable and your radiator in good shape. Here's the other big one: your oxygen sensor. This sensor measures the amount of oxygen in your exhaust gases and helps your engine control the air-fuel mixture. A failing oxygen sensor can cause poor gas mileage, increased emissions, and even damage your catalytic converter. Replacing it every 100,000 miles keeps your engine running efficiently and your car passing emissions tests. This part is crucial. Alright, number 4 is the air filter. A dirty air filter chokes your engine by limiting air intake, causing sluggish performance and lower fuel efficiency. Swapping it out every 100,000 miles or sooner if you drive in dusty areas helps your engine breathe better. Number 3 is the cabin air filter. Don't forget your cabin air filter. This filter cleans the air coming into your car's interior, keeping it fresh and free of dust and allergens. Change it every 100,000 miles for a healthier driving environment. Okay, number 2 is the drive axle or CV joints. These joints transfer power from the transmission to your wheels while allowing for suspension movement. Over time, the CV boots can crack and leak grease, causing joint failure. At 100,000 miles, inspect the CV joints and replace if worn out, especially if you hear clicking noises while turning. Finally, the battery. Most car batteries last around 3 to 5 years, but by 100,000 miles, it's smart to check its health. A weak battery can leave you stranded. Replacing it proactively can save you headaches. Alright, friends, that's the full list of 13 crucial car parts to replace every 100,000 miles. Remember, number 10 your transmission fluid Dan, and number 5 the oxygen sensor are the absolute key players for your car's longevity and performance. Taking care of these replacements on time will save you money and keep your ride smooth and reliable for many more miles. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.